Alright, this is going to be a test of this GoPro mount and this button mount. Oh, it's not even on. Check it. Check it out. Video. I do want to show you guys some other projects that I'm doing right now. So if you guys are interested in any of these, put my Instagram here. So I made this. Yeah, for your tools, you could put screws or washers or whatever you want in here. Have these. We have these trays. This is what I did. M5 M5. So this screw goes with this nut. These screws goes with this. I have extra bearings, body clips, and then a M3, M4, M5. That's it. This is a tray for screws and working on it. This is a prototype XRT wing mount support. I am going to make this out of this material, which is more flexible. This is a Max 5 Crane AS ESC. This is just for my pinions, or you could use it as a storage for nuts and bolts. Made a skip plate for the Sledge, but already got one for that. I am working on a FPV drone with the GoPro mount, so if you guys want to see it, make sure to subscribe. I am gonna make this out of this whole 3D printed, and I'm gonna do a 6S build on this, and then just stand on it. Made this for my X-Maxx GoPro mount and a one-handed steering wheel so you could drive. These parts are for 2 cars only for now, and I do have more parts on the X-Maxx in it. So this, I don't know if you guys know, but Kevin Talbot actually Kevin Talbot got one of these. It's a 2-piece drive shaft conversion with the bearing in the middle. I do have mine in there, but it's with this material. It's still strong, but we are gonna give it a go. If it breaks, we have this one for backup, which is super flexible. Look at that. Super flexible. And then this is for the Creighton AS bumper, which I need to test still, but we don't have no Arma car yet. But yeah, so we still need to test this. I might just give it one of my buddies just to test it out. And for the X-Maxx, so for the X-Maxx, we made this GoPro mount, which I'm excited to test out. It's gonna look something like this, kind of that point of view. So I'm excited to test this out. Hopefully it stays in place, not like that one. Made this from bumper. Super flexible. It's out of that stuff that I just showed you guys. Super flexible. Let's see what else. What else did I make? I mean, just that centerpiece, and that's about it, I think, for now. But there is going to be more parts coming in soon. Comment down below what other cars you want me to print out so you guys could buy. Slash parts, yes, for sure. Pro Moto, they're pretty hard since all the parts are all on angles. Crawler stuff you guys want to see. Oh, E-Revo will be coming out soon with some 3D parts as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you give a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.